Community policing response to the homeless crisis? Community policing is a philosophy that enables police departments to collaborate with the people they serve to address underlying problems. Community policing has emerged as an important strategy in California's efforts to grapple with the increasing homelessness problem. It encourages cooperation between law enforcement, civic organizations, service providers, and residents. Instead of criminalizing homelessness, community policing deals with people experiencing homelessness in a much more compassionate manner. Community policing similarly successfully reduces homelessness by creating collaboration between police service providers. Community policing is based on the philosophy that local law enforcement agencies collaborate with their communities to address issues effectively. In the context of homelessness, this model emphasizes proactive problem solving through building trust between police and vulnerable populations, as well as fostering partnerships with various organizations and service providers in the area. Establishing trust is essential because it can encourage community members to adhere to laws and regulations. In contrast, traditional policing strategies often focus on criminalizing homelessness by taking measures such as clearing encampments or arresting individuals for loitering or vagrancy. These approaches typically do little to address the underlying causes of homelessness and may, in fact, make vulnerable individuals more hesitant to seek assistance. In contrast, community policing prioritizes a humane and coordinated response to the issue. The problem of homelessness is among the current major social crises in California. According to the recent statistics, California has the highest population of homeless individuals in the country, with an estimated 171,000 experiencing homelessness. Homelessness is when people are unable to have steady, safe, and proper housing. Occurs when individuals lack stable, safe, and adequate housing. In California, this issue has worsened to unprecedented levels due to various factors such as skyrocketing housing costs, rising poverty rates, and mental health services that are insufficient to meet the community needs. Recent statistics indicate that California has one of the highest homeless populations in the nation, with an estimated 171,000 individuals experiencing homelessness. While this crisis affects all demographics, certain groups are particularly overrepresented, including veterans, individuals with mental health disorders, and those facing personal challenges such as domestic abuse. Understanding the extent of homelessness in California is crucial to developing effective policing strategies. Law enforcement must consider the statistics and understand the root causes of homelessness. With this knowledge, community policing strategies can be more effectively tailored to address the homeless population needs. Collaboration is a crucial aspect of community policing in addressing homelessness. Police agencies must work with local organizations, social service providers, nonprofits, and community members to establish a support network that engages homeless individuals. These partnerships have been vital in developing more compassionate approaches to homelessness, mainly through collaboration with organizations like the Los Angeles Homeless Service Authority and the San Francisco Homeless Outreach Team. In turn, police can refer homeless individuals to necessary support services instead of resorting to punitive measures. Community policing aims to prevent homelessness by connecting vulnerable individuals, such as those facing eviction or struggling with addiction, to essential services. This proactive approach to prevention complements the traditional reactive policies that address the immediate needs of people living on the streets. Through community policing strategies, five authorities can identify individuals at risk of becoming homeless and provide intervention services to help them maintain their housing. Education plays a crucial role in community policing strategies. Police officers require specialized training programs to teach officers tactics for vola- volatile situations, allowing them to support and resources instead of restoring to arrest. Community policing allows for a holistic approach that enables the sensitive and humane handling of homeless people in California. Surrounded by the notion of collaboration, prevention, and education, law enforcement agencies would indeed turn very industrious in their efforts to support homeless people while still catching up with the responsibilities that deal with keeping the general public safe. Success will be determined by sufficient resources, community activities, and the capacity to adapt to the constantly changing environment. It is important to note that community policing will continue to be relevant and will continue to contribute to the greater community as long as homelessness remains a valid issue to that continues to evolve.